The basic rules of the road say drivers of vehicles, bicyclists, and pedestrians will obey traffic control devices on AUAB unless otherwise directed by security forces or fire officials. Although these are the official rules, driving can be a unique experience due to cultural differences, which can also lead to hazardous situations. Take stop signs, for example. Some drivers treat them as yield signs. You might often see drivers roll through these stop signs without slowing down or checking their surroundings. That's why it's important for you to exercise extreme caution when driving on base. Speaking of posted signs, you might have noticed that the speed limits here on base are in kilometers per hour rather than miles per hour. This could make it feel like the speed limit is slow in certain areas of the base, but please remember, they are set for the safety of yourself and others using the road. We work with many different militaries, all from different nations with unique driving behaviors. Bottom line, be cautious around intersections and mindful of your speed.